Hey everyone, having trouble with Messenger not responding on your Android? This usually happens because of corrupted cache/data, too many apps running in the background, low storage, or just some bugs. Don't stress, I've got you covered with easy fixes. Let's jump right in. Before starting, make sure your internet connection is stable and try restarting your phone since that often clears up small glitches. Solution 1. Clear Messenger cache and data. Open Settings, tap on Apps or App Management. Find and tap Messenger, tap Storage and Cache. Hit Clear Cache first. Then tap Clear Data. Open Messenger and check if it's working. Solution 2. Update Messenger app. Open Google Play Store. If you see an update button, tap it. Once updated, launch the app and try again. Solution 3. Clear up storage space. Head over to Settings, then tap on Device Care and select Storage. Check how much free space you have. Aim for at least 500 MB to 1 GB available. If you're running low, try deleting unused apps, large videos, or old photos to free up some room. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall Messenger. Long press the Messenger app icon and select Uninstall. Restart your phone. Head to Play Store, search Messenger, and install it again. Log in and see if the app responds properly. That's all for fixing Messenger not responding on Android. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Still having trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.